Hi there, I'm Julia, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Social CRM feature in NapoleonCat to improve your customer service and sales process.
But let's start with the basics. Creating a CRM profile. When we receive a message in the inbox and click on it, the basic information about the user will be displayed on the right side. Here we can already add an email, a note, and a user tag. And either create a new CRM profile or add it to an existing one. For example, when we are sure that the person has already contacted us before on another platform and we have already saved their profile. We can go to the social CRM by clicking on the people icon on the left side. This will display a list of all our saved profiles. In the main view, we see their name, email, if we added it before, a social media platform, tags, a creation date, and a note. We can also export our profiles as well as filter them by user tags or by social media platforms. We can also search for someone by their name. By clicking on a profile, we get a history of all interactions, which we can also view directly in the inbox by clicking on Go to Inbox. If a person is already added to the CRM, when they message us, clicking on the message will display the history of previous interactions with that person here on the right side. In the user profile, we can also see their contact data. If we know them, we can add it, an email address, tax, company, their phone number, city, or country. And here we also have a full note about the person. To delete the profile, just click on it and click on Delete Action. If you manage social media communication, you may know how easy it is to lose context. A customer writes us once on Facebook, once on Instagram, and you have to search for the history every time. Social CRM in NapoleonCat eliminates this problem thanks to the ability to merge profiles. To merge profiles, we need to select a minimum of two, but you can select more and click the Merge action. Merging profiles can be especially useful in crisis situations. For example, you have an unhappy customer who is frustrated and is reaching out to you on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And instead of seeing separate reports, you have one central view of their entire full history of interactions. You see what they have already written on which platform. This allows your team to take control immediately, avoid repeating questions, and smoothly de escalate the situation. And now, another thing that will improve the quality of your customer service and will also be useful in crises. Notes. You can add key information in the notes here. This context allows for a better and more personalized approach. If you're dealing with a customer with a difficult temperament, you can add a warning note for the team. For example, client is aggressive in communication, respond according to the escalation procedure. Now, let's move on to how social CRM can be used in sales. Thanks to user tags, you can categorize your contacts. You can tag people asking for offer details as hot lead and the most engaged ones as superfans. Then you immediately see who had the most interaction with your brand and who is the closest to making a purchase. The export function will also help you here. All you need to do is filter your users who have the hot lead tag and then export that list clicking on this button. This file becomes a ready-made point for outreach. Your sales department receives a list of people to contact who are genuinely engaged and interested in your brand, which significantly increases the chances of finalizing a sale. If you want to test Social CRM and personally see its value, take advantage of the 14-day free trial. You can find the link in the description. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us via the chat in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.